Hi, welcome to shopify.com once again. Today I bring to unbox Sony a7R III full frame mirrorless camera. Let me open this. I took this camera from AAB World Kuwait. They are the Sony distributors now in Kuwait. And let me open what is the things inside. There is some instruction manuals inside, which is in Chinese, Japanese or something, English and Arabic. Also there is a catalog, so we'll keep this one here. And we have universal plugs, the round plugs, square plug, and three type of plugs inside. It will change, depends on the region which you are living. And we'll go to another compartment. Here we have the strap from Sony. Let it be here. And we have another, it's a well packed packet. This is our Sony camera, like this. So it will be here. And we have a charger, one C-type cable, and battery, of course. So let it be here. I'm not going too much into the technical details, but I will just show the basic buttons and things what all has on the camera. The camera itself is the same like all the alpha cameras, very compact, and the same body as a7R II, and only you can see the difference in a7R II and a7R III. The symbol which they printed on the back side, here it's a7R III, that's it. From the front it's already wrote only a7R and it's an E-mount camera. Here in the first look we can tilt the screen. We can tilt the screen like this and can shoot up or down. And there is a C3 button. C3 button we can configure our the custom settings on this C3. And this is menu button. Of course we can go through the menus. And there is a play button. After shooting we can play and see the things. Delete button. And this is the multi-selection button which you can select, and there is a press enter button also. Here you can control the continuous shooting, burst shooting, and everything, and you can control the display over here. Here there is another function button which you can control the functions, and there is a like a joystick button here. Here also you can select the multi-selection. Here AF button, for example, if you are using rear focus button, yes, you can join on this button, and next to it there is a record button and also a E-lock button here. And here you have same like Nikon cameras, you have two mode dials for controlling the shutter and aperture, or aperture or shutter. It's in the same location. The exposure compensation button, they make it as manual, so we can control the exposure compensation on this. And also there is two more custom buttons, C1 and C2. So there are three custom buttons, 1, 2 and 3. So wherever you want to apply your custom settings, you can do it here. And this is the mode dial. In the mode dial there is a center button. If you press this, you can turn into manual, shutter priority, aperture priority, program auto, and everything you can control here. So this is the basic look for this camera. And there is a hot shoe for the flash, and here you have a sensor for the eyepiece sensor. For example, if you are very close to the eyes, the display will be turned off, that is the sensor. And it is rubber beaded, same like all the DSLRs. You can control the focus inside here for the eye focus. The microphone they fixed here, and the speaker they arranged here. So here there will be microphone, and here will be the speaker. And this camera is NFC enabled. NFC means that is some new electronic option In some smartphones, if you have an NFC option, you can pair it with this. You just touch over here, so there is a symbol for NFC here. And this is the focus light. If you are in the dark area, this light will help you to focus. And the main change for the other DSLRs, the mirrored SLRs, usually the lens changing button will be on this side, but in this case this side. But so this will be very easy to change the lens. While we are handling, we can just press here, no need to go here. So this is all about this camera. And there is the battery, they make very big. So in a7R III you have more battery backup than the other previous versions. Also you have a lock here. If you touch the lock, you can inbuilt 2 SD cards inside. You can inbuilt SDXC cards inside. Also you have a remote sensor over here, and also you can control through Bluetooth. So all the options they are built inside this camera in a small camera. The camera size is not different than sorry, the camera size is not different than a7R II, a7R, a7S. All are same bodies, only the inside is different, and also the make is different than the other things. It's a bit stronger than the other ones. So they marked the focus plane here. Also they have slots here for the HDMI, micro USB, and headphone, shutter release, also the flash sync and the microphone. Everything they set over here. So this is the first look of this camera. It's a very small and handy camera like this. You can fix with any lens and you can shoot. So this is all about the first look of a7R III from Sony. So thank you so much for watching. I am Shafimon. You can visit my website shafimon.com. You can follow me in YouTube. You can subscribe me in YouTube, Magic Hands 07. Thank you so much for watching. I will be coming with another video. Bye.